What's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then welcome to my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Today I am going to be adding way too many Christmas ingredients into slime, and I'm super excited. We got some clear slime and some white glue based slime as well to work with today. I did a video like this for Halloween and I had so much fun, so I was like, let's do one for Christmas. Why not? Alright, first I want to go ahead and start off with the clear based slime that I have here. What should we add into this? Bingsu beads, of course. Now, if you don't know what Bingsu beads are, they are basically a new type of bead in the slime community. It's a fairly new type of slime that was introduced. These beads are basically made out of like rolled paper, and it's like a cellophane kind of paper, not like a paper kind of paper. Basically, it's like a super crunchy bead that is super lightweight, and I'm gonna go ahead and add a bunch of these into this clear base slime right here, and it's gonna be super fun. Okay, so first let me show y'all the base that we're working with. This is my clear slime base. It is so beautiful. Look at how clear that is, like, it's insane. I don't want to make it too foggy, but I also want to show y'all, like, look at how great that is. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and place this here on my little table. And then we're gonna add our beans. Beans? Oh my God, we're gonna add our beads. Okay, so I wanna definitely add in some green. That is Christmas AF. And this is adding too much, so obviously I'm gonna go ham. I might even add more than this, who knows? Let's get some red going on in here as well. I love the sound of the beads falling. Okay. Let's add some blue to this. I'm gonna have so much fun cleaning this off of my floors later. All right. All right, now that I've added the Bingsu beads, it is time to go ahead and mix this baby. So enjoy this crunchiness. Check out how cool that looks. Oh, this is so exciting. Pick up all these other stray beads here. Oh, there's a lot of them. This is going to be the cutest slime ever once it clears again. I mean, it's cute right now as well, but everything's better once the slime has just cleared, you know? It's super crunchy. Let's let it just drip here. That'll be fun. Oh my gosh, I'm having way too much fun with this. All right, I'm gonna add a little bit more. So I made a little well in the slime here. I'm gonna go ahead and add these in. All right, let's see how this goes. Oh my gosh, it's so crunchy. Okay, I don't think this slime can take any more of the Bingsu beads. It's super, super crunchy and it rips a lot. So I don't know if it would handle anymore. I think we have reached the max of Bingsu potential. All right, let's see if this even fits back in the container. I know it's not going to, but let's just see how much it has like grown. Look at that. That is insane. This kind of looks like a snow cone, like a Christmas snow cone. Not gonna lie, it's kind of making my mouth water a little bit, just a little bit. Ain't that crazy? All right, y'all, next up, we are gonna go ahead and work with a white school glue base, like this here. That smells so good. This slime is actually a base for one of the DIY clay slimes that was in my mystery Christmas box. So if you snatched one of those boxes during the restock, then you are in luck because it's so good. Like, look at that. It's just amazing. I love this slime so much and it smells delicious. It's like a mixture of candy. All right, now what are we gonna be adding into this white glue base, you say? Well, I made a bunch of Christmas cookies made out of clay and we're gonna be adding that in today. Oh, that rhymed. I'm a rapper. Make some cookies out of clay. We're gonna be adding it today into the slime because it's slime time. Something like that, I don't know. All right, so let me go ahead and take my cookies out of their containers first. So I made little sugar cookies and gingerbread men as well. Some of these gingerbread men have seen better days, but it's okay. Y'all have no idea how bad I wish these were real right now because a cookie sounds amazing at this moment in my life. All right, y'all, it's about that time. Let's go ahead and put the slime on our table here. And now let's add on our cookies. So I'm gonna add the sugar cookies first, then some gingerbread men. Add those in like that. Maybe a cookie behind this one here. And a little cookie behind this one. And then maybe even a gingerbread behind these over here. Kind of elevate everything. And then some more gingerbread men. It kind of looks like a tree. Oh my gosh, from where you're sitting, it kind of looks like a tree, y'all. Like it's a triangular shape. I didn't plan that. That was just my mind. Okay, let's go ahead and mix this together because it just looks so cute. This smells delicious. There's so much clay in here, y'all. There is way more clay than what usually goes into an 8 ounce. Wow. And it's mixing together so flawlessly. I love that. Okay, let's go ahead and do a little swirly swirl real quick. Beautiful, just beautiful. This is actually such a nice texture. This feels so nice. Nice and spreadable. Smells delicious. I love it. I love it. I'm actually really surprised with the color of this. I was thinking that it was gonna turn into like a mauve-y kind of purplish brown, but it's actually a really nice like chocolatey brown. Wow. Let's make a bubble, shall we? Oh, it just busts. I think it's because it's too much clay in it. The elasticity of the slime isn't really there like it used to be. It's super creamy. Maybe it's just because like the blends of clay that I used. I don't know. It's just really nice. We filled up 3 8 ounces with this slime, so that's pretty bomb. All right, so back to the clear slime base. This is gonna be our last one for today. Let me show some love to the close-up camera over here just because this slime is beautiful and gorgeous and clear, and I really want y'all to see it. And thick, look at how thick this baby is. Like monstrous. The thickest of them all, sweetie. Isn't that insane? Like, love that for me. Love that. All right, so to our clear slime here, we are gonna be adding in something very special, some Fimo slices. Now, not just any Fimo slices, these are candy cane Fimo slices. I want y'all to take a good look at these. They're so freaking cute. I can't stand it. I actually got these from Glitter by Mama Boss. I will link her website. I will link her website down below. I'm gonna link her website down below so y'all can go ahead and check her out. I don't know what that was right now, but yeah, let's go ahead and add in a bunch of these. I want to say this is like a pound of Fimo slices, but I'm not too sure, honestly. I could be wrong. So let's go ahead and dump them in. I mean, Christmas is almost over anyway, so I'm not gonna need these for a full year. It's all good. I'm gonna go ham, y'all, okay? Oh my God. All right. Ooh, let's see if this is gonna work. This might be disastrous, who knows? I'm gonna roll up my sleeves for this one because it's about to get crazy. That is so funny. It makes like virtually no noise. Oh, this is gonna be a crunchy gal. Wow, it actually is holding in a lot of them already. That's insane. This is only an 8 ounce of slime, so we shall see if this could take it all. All right, we're getting some crunches. Okay, so it's definitely held in about this much, but we definitely want to push the limits and add in a lot more. So let's pick up everything that fell. Ugh. This is a super tough slime so far. OMG, can you even tell that these are candy canes? I'm gonna give y'all a close-up. This is insane. My arms are literally shaking trying to pull this apart. That's so crazy. Oh yeah, I think we added way too many candy cane Fimo slices. Let me try to pull slowly. I'm not gonna lie, yo, this slime is super tough to play with and it kind of hurts my hand. I feel like the little candy canes are really poking me. It's crazy. These Fimo slices are made out of clay, and obviously clay, especially like clay that you have to bake in the oven and things like that, they're not the softest things, so it kind of hurts a little bit, but it is fun to play with. Just not super fun because it's so stiff. Maybe if I didn't add too much, but that's kind of the point of this video, you know what I mean? Miss Candy Cane from Candy Cane Lane. All right, let's see. Wow. Those bubble pops were so good. I have to do that one more time, I'm sorry. That is too fun, y'all. Oh my gosh. I highly recommend doing this if you have like a bunch of Fimo slices that you don't mind, you know, getting rid of, or if you have like some clear slime that, you know, is not the clearest, because you don't have to have it super crystal clear to make a slime like this. It could even be like a colored slime. It can even be white glue slime, you know, it doesn't have to be clear glue. But it's just super, super fun. It's kind of a waste of ingredients because you're not gonna really use this again, but it's fun. Like, it's just fun to play with, you know? I'm gonna make it into a cube because I think that's gonna be fun. I love that you can do this kind of thing with these slimes. Like, look at that. Is that not super cool? Too fun, and there's no fallout, surprisingly. Maybe this can handle even more, but it's already as tough as it is, so I don't want to add more, but it could probably handle more if I wanted to. Alrighty, y'all, well that is pretty much it for this adding too much Christmas slime ingredients into slime. I had a blast. Which one of these were your favorite? Again, we had the bingsu bead slime, which has kept its shape. Is that not crazy? Look at that. I don't think it's going anywhere. We also had the Christmas cookie clay slime. So we added a bunch of Christmas cookies, made it out of clay. And then we had the one that you just saw right now, the candy cane Fimo slices. This one was super, super bubbly and crunchy, but this one was nowhere near like this bingsu slime. This one was still kind of stretchy. This one was not. So I don't know, which one was y'all's favorite? I think my favorite was definitely the bingsu bead slime. Also, this one was good. I don't know. I can't pick. Let me know in the comment section which one was your favorite. Alright, that is pretty much it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!